Joe Leader, are you,
Is it interpolation where I guess to ask the gentleman from Pampanga Talac, is he signing up to wish to interpolate the
Senator Margareta, what is the
gentleman
question?
from Cavite?
You're recognized, what is the
Thank you,
question?
Mr. President.
Seeking the floor.
Una-una, pinatatakatin ng Pangulo. Kaya po pala si Senator Ping Lacson mag-deliver ng privilege. Wala pa po tayo mag-take up na kahit ano. Siya pala ay masyadong special dito sa chamber natin. Kasi po, pagka kami, lalong-lalo na ako, minsan eh, patatapusin na lahat muna. Aabot po ng halos alas 7 hanggang alas 8. Kaya kung minsan po, pagka ako nag-deliver ng speech, wala na si Senator Lacson. Ganun po pala siya ka-importante.
So, Joe Leader, I think you should answer that particular
Yes, Mr. President,
statement.
yung privilege speeches, alam mo, kung 2 linggo na lang po naiiwan, with due respect to Senator Mark Correa, talagang tinutulak natin yung registration. Una, yung privilege speeches, we put always, and it's been a practice in the past, in the tail end of the discussions, because the privilege speeches can take up a lot of time. Yung nangyari po kasi kahapon, sa speech ni Senator Marcoleta, with due respect to the two sides, binanggit po niya yung pangalan ni Senator Lacson. So, it is obvious that Senator Lacson would like to respond. So, usually when it is personal and collective privilege, especially when they're trying to defend themselves, kasi gusto mong i-defend sa sarili mo, dinitigan po natin ang pagkakataon. Ang senador na tumayo at any given point in time. Kaya kung sinabi din po sa akin ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon, po yung personal and collective kahit ako kay Senator Lacson, hindi naman ako agad-agad. Pero hindi po niya kwento sa akin ano yung purpose ng kanyang speech. Kaya nung nilapitan niya po ako first speech, dinatigan po natin, Senator Tulfo muna, pagkakaw si Senator Tulfo, Senator Marcoleta po. Pero yung naman po ng speech si Senator Marcoleta ay binabanata isang member ng Senado. Obviously, that member of the Senate will stand and defend themselves. We have to give them priority. It goes for any member of the Senate. We will give the privilege to any member of the Senate.
Alright, thank you.
Sir President, ang sinasabi ko lang po ay ngayon ko lang po na nakita ang ganitong special treatment. Hindi ko naman sinasabi, Sir President, na lahat ay ganito. Kasi po yung kauna-una, yung una pa po bago ito, Sir President, naalala ko, tinapos mo na lahat po ng bisita, pati po yung mga galing sa Southeast Asian cities. At kahuli-huli nga po, inabot po ako ng alas 8 na yun. Yun lamang po, ngunit gusto ko pong makapagtanong sana sa ating ginagalang na Senator Ping Lacson kung siya po ay papayag.
My pleasure, Mr. President.